Good morning, ladies. So today we're going to kind of jump gears more into some fiction work. So our learning target for today is I can identify keywords or phrases that help determine the theme of a poem. So directions below are two poems from the novel Words with Wings. And ladies, you can find the entire book on Epic. It is under our recommended reads for our classroom. So again, make sure you're doing that. I know a couple of us have finished that. Shout out to Malaya. I know that you read it. Please close read the short poem. Underline keywords or phrases that may help you determine the theme of the poems. And you're going to do some comparing. So, Words with Wings. So, again, this poem should stick out to you because it's the namesake of the novel. So, this is a very important one. Words with Wings. Some words sit still on the page, holding a story steady. Those words never get me in trouble. But other words have wings that wake my daydreams. They fly in silent as the sunrise, tickle my imagination, and carry my thoughts away. I can't help but buckle up for the ride. So again, with this poem, you are going to be identifying your theme with rationale. So again, with a theme, especially with poetry, pay attention to the tone. Okay, I know that Miss Egan read it in a certain way, but think about these powerful words, okay? They fly in, silent as sunrise, tickle my imagination, and carry my thoughts away. Okay, here this is some positive language. Down at the bottom, when she says, I can't help but buckle up for the ride, what does that say? If someone says, buckle up, let's go. Okay, again, that's that willingness, that kind of desire to do that. And again, up here, kind of giving that comparison, she's talking about how some words they sit still on that page holding the story steady. Those aren't the words with wings. Words with wings, literally and figuratively, wings take you away. In this case, she's not actually saying that these words take her away, but they give her this tickle of her imagination. And those words don't get me in trouble. But those other words, giving that comparison with wings, they wake my daydreams. All right, let's take a peek at the next one. So theme with rationale. Again, with your rationale, rationale is your support. Give me some text evidence. Give me some things that you may know from the story already. If you've read it already on Epic, show that. Nothing new. One or two hellos greet me at the classroom door. I know not to expect more. No one wants to be friends with the weird girl. I pass by rows of desks, a make-believe grin hiding my hurt. Most days I'm an A-plus pretender, but when I'm not, I just crawl into my daydreams and disappear. So again, this poem, very, very different tone. Okay, so we have kind of some negative phrases that we can pull out here, right? No one wants to be friends with a weird girl. I pass by Rose, a make-believe grin hiding my hurt. So who's grinning? She's grinning. She's trying to hide her hurt. Her here when she says that she's an A-plus pretender, right? If you have an A-plus, it means you're very good at something. So she's very good at pretending. But when she's not, she just crawls into her daydreams and disappears. So again, I want you to think of the themes. Do they have something in common? Do they not? Again, they're from the same story, so they may. So theme with rationale, and then here, do you think the themes are similar or different, and explain your thinking. If you need more writing for this, please just find any space necessary. But again, I want you to really think about it. Yeah, one's more positive, one's more negative, but think about what the theme is. Think about what they're really truly trying to tell you. Pull out those keywords, okay? This might be a fun one to do maybe some different kind of markup. So maybe you're underlining positive phrases, but you're doing maybe that squiggly line under things that are more negative, okay? Identify how she sees herself and how others see her. What is she saying? What is she doing? Again, this is all available on Epic as well. So ladies, now I actually found the author of Words with Wings, Nikki Grimes, reading a selection from Words with Wings. She actually does read the actual poem Words with Wings in some of her selections that she does. So let's take a peek.